Hi, hello, namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel Nivedita's Art World. It's been very long time that I had not uploaded any of the videos related to art in my channel. So here I thought of showing you my experiment on loose watercolor paints with the floral theme. This painting is all about a trial and error method and how the wet on wet technique works and how the loose strokes work with watercolor paints. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe button. As you watch this video, you will be able to understand what mistakes I have done, and also it is more like a learning for you that you should not make the mistakes which I have done, right? Let's discuss about the mistakes which I am doing while I am painting this artwork. The first mistake which I feel I have done here is the paint I have not diluted with the water. Sometimes I have taken it directly from the color palette. The second mistake is choosing the paper. You should have the watercolor paper 300 GSM or above 300 GSM. The next mistake which I feel that I was doing is I was overdoing or over painting the watercolor artwork. You should know when to stop. If you keep painting on the area, then it will give the opaque effect. Sometimes it becomes dull after it dries. So you should be very careful and you should know when to stop. And here you can see the crimson red which I have used, and I'm using that lifting technique, but still I was not able to stop there. I was keep on doing on over and over on the same area. Watch the video till end so that you will be getting an idea how it looks once it is dried with all that mistakes I have done. Stay tuned to my channel to watch the next video on the loose watercolor painting with the right technique. Though this painting was not according to my expectation, but I liked the output, how it came.